I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're struggling to unlock payouts on the Etsy seller app, follow these steps to get your funds released quickly. Step 1. Open the Etsy seller app. Launch the app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the correct account associated with your shop. Step 2. Navigate to your shop settings. Tap on the shop icon at the bottom of the screen, then select Settings from the menu. This is where you can manage your shop preferences. Step 3. Check payment account status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Review your shop policies. Make sure your shop policies are set up correctly. If they're incomplete or not compliant, Etsy may hold your payouts. Step 5. Contact Etsy support if necessary. If you've checked everything and still can't unlock payouts, reach out to Etsy support through the app. They can provide specific guidance based on your account. Remember, sometimes a small detail like an unverified bank account can cause delays. If you follow these steps, you should be able to unlock your payouts smoothly. Good luck with your sales.